Imagination is the very gateway of reality. Neville Goddard. Every dream we have carries the seed of its own realization. It's essential to understand that each vision in our hearts has a unique timing. It's not merely about desire, it's about aligning with the right moments that will bring these dreams to life. Let's explore how recognizing and accepting this appointed hour can lead to profound transformation in our lives. To set on the journey of manifesting your vision, start by deeply understanding what it truly means to you. This isn't just about surface-level desires, it's about connecting with your inner self. Reflect on what you genuinely want. This clarity will serve as the foundation for your journey, allowing you to focus your energy effectively. When you take the time to clarify your vision, you're also acknowledging the emotions tied to it. What feelings arise when you envision your goals? Joy, excitement, peace. Accepting these emotions will enhance your connection to your vision, making it feel more real and attainable. You are not just dreaming, you are setting the stage for reality. Now, let's talk about patience. Every vision has its own timing, and it's crucial to cultivate a sense of trust in the process. Just because you don't see immediate results doesn't mean your dream is not manifesting. It's like planting a seed. It takes time for roots to grow beneath the surface before any visible growth occurs. Being patient does not mean being passive. Use this time to nurture your vision. Engage in activities that inspire you and align with your goals. Read, meditate, or surround yourself with positive influences that resonate with your vision. The more you immerse yourself in these practices, the stronger your connection to your dreams will become. Visualization is a powerful tool in this journey. Take a few moments each day to visualize your vision as if it has already come to fruition. Picture the details vividly, the sights, sounds, and feelings. This practice helps create a mental picture that your subconscious mind can work towards, paving the way for your vision to manifest in reality. Gratitude plays a vital role in this process. Acknowledge the progress you've made, no matter how small. By expressing gratitude for your journey, you create a positive environment that attracts more blessings into your life. It reinforces the belief that your vision is on its way to becoming a reality. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can provide encouragement and motivation. They can also share valuable insights that may help you refine your vision. It's important to let go of any limiting beliefs that may hinder your progress. Reflect on any fears or doubts you may have about your vision. Challenge these thoughts and replace them with empowering affirmations. Remind yourself that you are worthy of your dreams and that they are attainable. Your mindset is crucial in this journey. Cultivating a positive and open mindset allows you to navigate challenges with resilience. Accept setbacks as opportunities for growth, and trust that each experience is part of your path toward fulfilling your vision. Recognize that timing is everything. Sometimes, your vision may require more preparation before it can manifest. Trust that the universe is aligning everything in your favor, and your appointed hour will come. Patience is not just a virtue, it's an essential part of the manifestation process. As you move forward, recall to celebrate your progress. Each step you take brings you closer to your vision. Acknowledge your efforts and accomplishments along the way, no matter how small they may seem. This practice reinforces your commitment and strengthens your belief in your vision. Always remain open to the possibilities. Your vision may evolve over time as you grow and learn. Accept these changes and allow your journey to unfold organically. Every step, every moment, is leading you closer to the realization of your dreams. Understanding that every vision has its appointed hour allows you to release the urgency often associated with achieving goals. Instead of chasing after your dreams with anxiety, accept the concept of divine timing. This mindset shift transforms your journey from one of struggle to one of peace and acceptance. When you accept that your vision has a natural timeline, you cultivate patience and resilience. This doesn't mean you stop taking action, rather, you learn to take inspired actions that feel aligned with your vision. You trust that each step is significant, leading you closer to your dreams. During this waiting period, focus on self-care and personal growth. Engage in activities that nourish your spirit and align with your goals. Use this time to become the best version of yourself, preparing to step into the life you envision. This preparation creates a strong foundation for when the appointed hour arrives. Your appointed hour may not look exactly how you imagined. Be open to unexpected opportunities that may come your way. These moments could be the very key to unlocking your vision. Accepting flexibility allows you to adapt and seize the right moments as they present themselves. Trusting in the appointed hour creates a sense of inner peace. You're no longer burdened by stress or worry about when your dreams will come to fruition. Instead, you radiate a calm confidence, knowing that you are on the right path and that everything will unfold as it should. While it's essential to accept patience, it's equally important to take inspired action toward your vision. Action is the bridge between your dreams and reality. Without it, your vision may remain just that, a vision. Taking small steps consistently keeps the momentum going and draws your goals closer. Inspired action is different from frantic action. It's about listening to your intuition and following your instincts. Tune into what feels right for you. This could mean making connections, learning new skills, or pursuing opportunities that align with your vision. Trust your gut feelings, as they often guide you toward the right path. Moreover, setting clear intentions can help you focus your actions. Write down specific goals related to your vision, and break them into smaller, manageable tasks. This process helps you stay organized and motivated, making it easier to track your progress along the way. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your successes helps reinforce a positive mindset and keeps you motivated. Every step forward is a testament to your commitment to your vision, reminding you that progress is possible. Keep in mind that setbacks are part of the journey. Instead of viewing challenges as failures, see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Each obstacle brings valuable lessons that prepare you for the ultimate realization of your vision. Trusting the process is vital as you navigate your journey toward manifesting your vision. This means having faith in your ability to achieve your goals and trusting that the universe is supporting you every step of the way. When you trust, you release the need for control and open yourself to receive what is meant for you. Being patient while working toward your vision can be challenging, especially when results feel distant. It's important to recall that your journey is unique, and everyone's timing is different. Keep faith in the natural flow of life, knowing that your appointed hour will come when the time is right. In moments of doubt, remind yourself of the progress you've made and the lessons you've learned. This practice reinforces your belief in the process and helps you stay focused on your vision. Trusting the journey allows you to experience life fully and joyfully, knowing that your dreams are within reach. Your mindset plays a significant role in manifesting your vision. Cultivating a positive mindset helps you stay motivated and resilient, even in the face of challenges. Focus on the possibilities instead of limitations, and surround yourself with positive influences that inspire you to keep moving forward. Practice affirmations to reinforce your belief in your vision. Positive statements help shift your mindset from doubt to empowerment, reminding you of your capabilities. Repeating these affirmations daily nurtures a strong sense of self-belief that fuels your journey. Engage in mindfulness practices to keep yourself grounded. Whether it's meditation, journaling, or simply taking a moment to breathe, these practices help you reconnect with your vision and maintain a positive outlook. A clear and focused mind opens doors to new opportunities and insights. Gratitude is a powerful force in the manifestation process. By expressing gratitude for what you already have, you create an abundance mindset. This practice shifts your focus from what is lacking in your life to the blessings that surround you, inviting more positivity into your experience. Take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This can be as simple as appreciating a beautiful sunset or acknowledging a kind gesture from a friend. By cultivating gratitude, you reinforce your connection to your vision and enhance your overall well-being. Gratitude also fosters resilience. When challenges arise, recalling what you're thankful for helps maintain a positive outlook. This perspective allows you to navigate difficulties with grace, keeping your focus on your vision and the appointed hour ahead. Aligning your actions and choices with your vision is essential for its realization. This means consistently checking in with yourself to ensure your daily actions reflect your goals. Are you making choices that move you closer to your dreams, or are you allowing distractions to take over? Create a daily routine that prioritizes activities aligned with your vision. Whether it's dedicating time to personal development or engaging in creative pursuits, these small commitments add up over time. The more you prioritize your vision, the more natural it becomes to align your life with it. Seek out experiences that resonate with your vision. Whether it's attending workshops, connecting with like-minded individuals, or immersing yourself in environments that inspire you, these experiences reinforce your commitment and keep you focused on your goals. As you pursue your vision, be open to change. Sometimes, the path to your dreams may take unexpected turns. Accepting change allows you to adapt and grow, often leading you to opportunities you may not have initially considered. Change can be uncomfortable, but it's also a necessary part of growth. When you accept change with an open heart, you create space for new possibilities. Trust that each change is guiding you closer to your appointed hour. View change as a chance to learn. Each experience, whether positive or negative, brings valuable lessons that contribute to your journey. Accepting this mindset empowers you to navigate your path with confidence and resilience. Every vision truly has its own appointed hour, and understanding this concept can bring peace and purpose to your journey. By aligning your actions, nurturing your mindset, and trusting the process, you create the conditions for your dreams to flourish. If you found this content valuable, consider liking and subscribing for more insights into personal growth and transformation.